Hello children, I am Shubhashish. Children, geometry is all around us. It helps us understand shapes, lines, and angles that we see every day. For example, the corners of your room, the edges of your phone, and even the shapes on a basketball court are all made from geometry. These shapes can be drawn and measured with simple tools, just like when you draw a square or a triangle in your notebook. In this video, we will explore how to make shapes and lines using tools like a ruler, compass, and protractor. You can use these tools to draw straight lines, measure distances, and even create perfect angles. This will help you understand how geometry works in the real world. For example, when you use a ruler to draw a straight line or a compass to make a circle, you are already using geometry. Whether you are drawing, building, or just looking around your house, geometry helps make sense of the world and the shapes we see. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know: learn to use basic tools like a ruler and compass to draw shapes. Understand how to measure and copy line segments accurately. Learn how to draw perpendicular lines and bisectors with a compass and ruler. Keywords from this lesson are geometry, line segments, compass, ruler, perpendicular lines, bisectors, set square, angles, measurement. Children, first let us see what is geometry. Geometry tells us about the lines, angles, shapes, and practical geometry is about the construction of these shapes. Tools to be used for construction. First one, the ruler. A ruler is a straight edge which we sometimes call a scale. It is marked with the centimeters on one side and inches on the other side. It is used to draw line segments and also to measure them. The compass. The compass has two ends. One is a pointer and the other is for the pencil. It is used to draw arcs and circles and also to measure the line segment. The divider. It is a pair of pointers on both the ends. It is used to compare the length of line and arcs. Set squares. It is a set of two triangular pieces. One is having 45 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees angles at the corners. If we join two same triangular pieces, we will get a square. It is used to draw parallel and perpendicular lines. Other is having 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees angles at the corners. If we join two same triangular pieces, we will get a rectangle. It is also used to draw parallel and perpendicular lines. The protractor. It is a semicircular device which is divided into 180-degree parts. It starts from the 0 degree from the right hand side and ends with the 180 degree on the left hand side and vice versa. It is used to measure and draw angles. A line segment. A line segment is a part of a line which has two endpoints. It has a fixed length, so it can be measured using a ruler. Now, let us see construction of line segment if the length is known. Draw a line segment of 5 cm. To draw a line segment of a particular length, we need a compass and a ruler. Step 1. First of all, draw a line L of any length and mark a point named A on it. Step 2. Measure the length of 5 cm by putting the compass on the ruler. Put the pointer on 0 and open the compass till 5 cm on the ruler. Step 3. Put the pointer at A on the line and draw an arc of 5 cm which intersects the line at B. Step 4. Hence the line segment of 5 cm is AB. Second one, construction of a copy of a given line segment. To make a copy of a line segment, there are three methods. First one, measure the length of the given line segment using a ruler and draw the line segment of the same length with the ruler only. Second one, take a transparent sheet and trace the given line on another part of the paper. These methods are not very accurate, so we can use a ruler and compass to make an accurate line segment. Draw a copy of the line segment AB. Step 1. AB is the given line segment whose length is known. Step 2. Use the compass and put the pointer on A. Open the compass to place the pencil side on point B. Now, the open compass is of the same length as given AB. Step 3. Draw a new line L and mark a point C on it. Put the pointer on the point C. Step 4. Using the same radius, draw an arc on line L which cuts the line at the point D. Step 5. CD is equal to AB. Children, now let us see the perpendiculars. If two lines intersect in such a way that they make a right angle at the point of intersection, then they are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to a line if a point is given on it using a ruler and a set square. Step 1. A line L is given and a point P on it. Step 2. Put the ruler with one of its sides next to L. Step 3. Put the set square with one of its sides by the side of the already aligned edge of the ruler so that the right angled corner comes in contact with the ruler. Step 4. Slide the set square so that the right angle corner coincides with P. Step 5. Hold the set square. Draw PQ along the edge of the set square. PQ is the required perpendicular to L from the given point P. Perpendicular to a line if a point is given on it. Using a ruler and compass, draw perpendicular of the line at a given point A. Step 1. Take A as the center and draw a big arc with any radius so that it intersects the line at point B and C. Step 2. Point the compass at B as the center and draw an arc with the radius more than AC. And then take C as center with same radius and draw an arc so that they intersect each other at point D. Step 3. Join AD. AD is perpendicular to CB. Perpendicular to a line from a point which is not on it, using ruler and a set square. Step 1. P is the point outside the given line L. Step 2. Put the set square on L so that one side of its right angle comes on L. Step 3. Put a ruler on the hypotenuse of set square. Step 4. Hold the ruler and slide the set square until it touches the point P. Step 5. Join PM. Now PM perpendicular to L. Perpendicular to a line from a point not on it, using ruler and a compass. Step 1. P is the point outside the given line L. Step 2. Take P as the center and draw a big arc of any radius which intersects line L at 2 points, A and B. Step 3. Take A and B as radius and draw arcs from both points with the same radius as taken before so that they intersect with each other. Step 4. Join PQ. PQ is the perpendicular to line L. Perpendicular bisector of a line segment using ruler and compass. Step 1. Draw line segment AB. Step 2. Take A as the center and draw 2 arcs. One upside and one downside, the radius of more than half of the length of AB. Or you can draw a circle taking A as the center for the convenience. Again, make the arcs with taking B as the center so that they intersect the previous arcs. Step 3. Join the intersections of the arcs and name them as C and D. Step 4. The required perpendicular bisector of AB is CD. Hence, AO is equal to OB. watching.